Hi everyone, I am Sharada Mani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we discussed about business model canvas in the company of Amazon. Okay, let's see. Business model canvas, a strategic tool to map how the business is created, delivers and capture the values. It has the 9 key building blocks are there. The first one is customer segmentation, value proposition, channels, customer relationship, revenue streams, and key resources, key activities, key partnership, and the cost structures. It enables cost structures. This may enables the teams to visible and iterate business ideas to collaborative and human centered. Okay, let's see. The customer segment identifications as ecosystems are in Amazon does not have just one customer. It has the 4 designated mutual reinforcing segmentation. The deservation reduce risk and creditors creates multiple growth for firewalls. Consumer. This is the most visible segmentation. Amazon serves the entire spectrum from price sensitive shoppers using subscribe and save. The seller. The third party seller are the critical customer segment by providing with the platform to compete directly with Amazon own retail arm, and the transformation its marketplace for a simple store into a vast self-setting inventory engine. The next one is businesses. Businesses in Amazon Web Services clients from startup to enterprises. The content creators, authors, musicians, filmmakers, and the app developers. Okay, the next one is value proposition. Value proposition is more than just a marketplace. It's based on the 3 types. The first one is for customer. For customer is unparalleled section convenience, fast delivery, and competitive pricing, personalized recommendations. In unparalleled section ensures customer can finding anything. The prime transforms shipping from the cost to the received entitlement, and personal recommendation is used to data to reduce the effort of the discovery. For sellers, it has access massive customer base and fulfill the services, marketing tools, simplify the logistics. He can Sellers can gain access to built-in audience of hundreds or of millions of active users, removing the high cost of the customer acquisitions. The AWS clients, clients scalable, reliable, cost-effective, and cloud computing infrastructure and services. The promise of scalability, reliability, and a pay-as-you-go model turns massive fixed cost into a variable cost. For content creators, the Amazon offers global distribution infrastructure and monitoring tools that bypassing traditional great ships, that is book publisher or Hollywood studios, allowing creators to reach the audience directly. And the key resources of and activities, the key resources resources divided into 3 types, that is logical networking, data and AI, AW infrastructure. The logical networking is fulfillment of centers, sorting facility at the and the last mile delivered feet is the physical motor. The data and AI is arguable Amazon most valuable resources. Okay, the pricing algorithm that dynamically adjusts to the beat competitors. AW infrastructure is a data center serves as both massive profit center and the technological backbone that supports the e-commerce sites during the peak event segment. The key activities are the e-commerce platforms operations, maintaining a stable, secure, and inclusive digital storefront at the planetary scale. Logistic management enriching the real-time movement of the millennium of the items across the globe, optimizing the speed ones. The revenue streams and cost structure of the profit of paradigm is Amazon structured in the unique because it is large margin of retail business flowing fuels in the high margin of profit centers. The revenue streams are AWS clouds, third-party seller services, advertising, prime subscription, and the next one is cost structure. In that cost structure, there is a fulfillment of shipping, technological and content development, and the infrastructure. The flyway efforts or the AWF profits and third-party sellers fees generated high margin cost. This cash is reinvested into logistical infrastructure and content. Better logistic and content increasing the value of the prime, attracting more customer. More customer attract third-party sellers. More sellers increasing the selection and competition. Lower pricing customer, and then they increased the traffic allows Amazon to sell advertising to the sellers. The cycle repeats, creating a perpetual engine that it makes expectationally different but the competitors to dissolving Amazon without replicating the its ecosystem simultaneously. So thank you for watching.